2014 Mustang. Radio went out. You ever have this problem? Lights blinking on your LCD display here? I'm gonna show you how to fix it. The only tool you're gonna need is a trim tool here. All right. And what you gotta do is open up your console here, pull this back, and lift this up. And as you see here, lift it up. Pull off this piece. Lift the whole thing out, but be careful because right here you have your wiring. So you want to disconnect that. All this you can pull out by hand. Let's see if I can do this way. There we go. And just pull that wiring out. Oh, and another thing, always make sure you put your car in neutral with your parking brake up. Alright, got that part out. You see right there? Goes all of that. Next part, just going to slowly pull this out. Remember there's wiring underneath your cup holders. Just set it to the side. Real quick and easy job. Saves you a lot of money. All you got to do is take this trim tool, pry it into the corners here, and take two hands. Be gentle. Alright, see how you got separated there now? So I'm going to pull the whole thing out. HVAC console system here. Gentle, because it's still American. It's cheap. There we go. Now, as you see, just prying out those two corners, pulling this part back. Now you see everything's exposed. Alrighty. Just like old radios, new radios in this era, you still gotta abuse them. Tap the underside of this bad boy. Oops. Tap it real hard. And it works. Simple as that. And then just put everything back together and you'll have music. Just to show you guys.
So they came after him full force. They're coming to put a lien and a hold on all my income, my home, my
car. And I got a 2014 Premium V6. It should work on all models.
The threats would stop.